In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple but yet effective method that you can use to start making $100 a day with CPA marketing. And this is XB Marketing with another video. I promise if you stick with me to the end of this video, then you will have everything you need to make this method work for you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Alright, as you can see right here, this is a YouTube authority sales page which shows people how to grow their YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. And now you may be wondering, what does this have to do with CPA? Don't worry, I'm going to be breaking everything down in this video. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go onto idplr.com and you want to look for a YouTube PLR product. Okay, so you basically want to type in YouTube in the search bar of idplr.com and you are going to see a bunch of PLR products that you can download for absolutely free, and you can content log and make money off them for absolutely free. Okay, so you can see this is the one I chose right here. There are other ones. You can see this one, YouTube channel SEO. And also if you scroll down, you are going to see some other ones. You can see this is also another product here that you can download for absolutely free and you can make money with them. All right, so basically now what we're going to do from here, if we click on this product right here, okay, so if I click on the sales page right here, as you can see, this is the sales page of these products. So basically you can also use this product as a lead magnet for your affiliate products. All right, but we are going to be using it for content locking. So the next thing you're going to do from here, we are going to be creating a landing page for this PLR product. So you want to use any landing page builder of your choice. You can use Google Sites, you can use Builderall, ClickFunnels, or whatever one you want to use. But for this video, I'll be taking breezy.io as an example. All right, so you can click on the link in the description to go to this website. All right, so basically once you're on breezy.io, you can see right here, this is a simple landing page that I made for this PLR product. As you can see right here, discover how to build your YouTube authority with this comprehensive guide on starting and growing a successful YouTube channel. As you can see right here, original price is $20 but free for the first 50 people. Okay, and you can see right here we add in some scarcity right there, 18 copies left, and we have the download button right here. So once they click this download button, it's going to take them to our content locker where we'll be hosting this PLR product. And if they complete your CPA offers, you make money, they get access to this product. So literally everybody wins. All right, so now to set up your content locker, you have a lot of platforms that you can use: OGR, CPA Grip, CPA Build, and there are also a bunch of other CPA network that you can use. Okay, so if I take OGR as an example, all you literally need to do is you want to either use you want to go to this tool section. You can see they have a bunch of content locker tools that you can use right here. You can see they have content lockers, file lockers, capture lockers, and offer API. I've never used this one before, but these other ones I know they work really well. So basically you want to choose whichever one you want right here. So if I click on this content locker as an example, all right, so basically as you can see right here, I have a bunch of content lockers set up for this on OGRs right here. So what you want to do from here now, you want to click on this create a content locker. So once you click on that, and then you want to give your content locker a name. So I am just going to say example, and keep in mind this is the same process for CPA Grip or whatever CPA network you want to use. Okay, so now you've given it a name. Yeah, it's optional, you don't need to write anything. All right, you want to leave everything as it is. Okay, here now where it says redirect to another URL, so you want to click this one. All right, so you want to impute the URL right here. So basically what this means is you want to download this PLR product. So if you click on this download, you can download this for absolutely free, but I'm not going to be downloading it, of course, but in your case you want to download this. All right, so once you've downloaded this, you can upload it to various platforms like mega.nz. You can upload it on Google Drive, you can upload it on Dropbox, literally there are a lot of websites where you can host the PLR product for absolutely free. So I'm going to be taking this Fiverr as an example. So if I click on this link right here, so after uploading it to mega.nz, all I just need to do to grab this link is by clicking on these three dots right here. So if I click on the three dots right here, all I just need to do is click on manage links. And if I click on manage links, I will be able to copy the link to this Fiverr product, this Fiverr PDF. So if I copy this link right here, and then I want to go back to my OG ads account, and then I want to paste the link right here. So boom, that is all you need to do. And after you've done that, you want to go to this advanced section and you want to choose the number of conversions that you want. All right, so you want to leave this as it is, and then you want to leave these other ones the way they are. So basically you can write anything you want right here. All right, it's going to depend on whatever you are promoting. So basically once you're done, all you just need to do is click on create. So once you click on create, then you want to click on this action right here and you want to click on this view details. So if I click on that, this is our content locker link right here. And then I want to head over to breezy.io. As you can see, this is the example landing page I made in breezy.io. As you can see, Breezy gives you a free SSL certificate, which makes your landing page looks trustworthy, and also it's not going to get banned from any social media platform that you try to promote this landing page. Okay, as you can see, the landing page looks simple and clean. As you can see right here, anyone who is interested in YouTube is definitely going to be interested in growing and making their channel successful. So all they need to do is click on this button right here and they will be taken to our content locker. And if they complete the offers on the content locker, they will get redirected to download this to download the PLR product. Okay, so if you go back to Breezy, all you just need to do is click on get started. It's free if you don't have an account with them, and if you do, all you just need to do is click on login. So once you log in, you are going to click on this create new project. So once you click on that, all you just need to do is click on edit project. So once you do that, you want to click on start building your page. So once you click on that, you want to go for create your own, although you can use these pre-made templates. There are free ones and there are some that are paid. All right, so basically you want to click on this create your own. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do, you want to download this image right here. All you just need to do is right click and you can save this image. Okay, so if we go back here, all you just need to do is click on this plus button right here to add this image, to drag this image, and you want to drop it right here. So once you drop the image right here, you want to click on this image icon and you want to import the image. So the image is now imported. As you can see, it's too big. Now you want to resize the image and make it a bit smaller and make it fit the screen perfectly. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to grab the text element and you want to drop the text element underneath the image. So now, as you can see, this is the sales page of this article. So this is the sales page of this product. So all you literally just need to do is copy the heading of this product. So like I said, you want to always keep your landing page as simple as possible. So all I just need to do is copy and paste that in there. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to grab another text element and you want to drag it and drop it underneath the first one. All right, so you want to type in something like this, and then you want to center it. You want to put it in the center, and then you want to increase the text. All right, okay, let me take it down a bit. Okay, as you can see, it looks good. Original price is $20, free for first 50 people only. And don't worry, I am going to also talk about why you need to set it to free for 50 people only. So to change the color of any of this text right here, all you just need to do is highlight the text and you can click on this box right here to change the color to whatever color you want right here. All right, so now we are almost done. So the last text, so you just want to drop it, drag and drop it right here, and then you want to drag this to the center, and the same thing, you can highlight the text and change it to any color you want. So I like using red because it stands out. So now the final thing, the button to our content locker. So once you drop the button right here, you can click on, you can type in download. You can type in download now or download here, or you can just type download. All right, whatever you want. You can play around with the call to action. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this link right here, and you want to paste in the content locker link. So I'm going to copy it again, and then I'm going to just paste the link right here. So basically, if anyone clicks on this download link, they'll be taken to a content locker, and once they complete our CPA offers, they will get redirected to download this PLR product, and we make money in return. So once you're done with that, you want to click on this button right here, and then you want to click on publish page. So once you click on publish page, then you want to go back to your dashboard. As you can see right here, this is a generic name that looks not so nice. So you can click on that, and you can just basically give it a better subdomain. All right, or you can connect your domain name to it if you have a domain name of your own, but you have to upgrade to the pro plan before you can do this. All right, so you want to click on this, and then you want to type in YouTube for free. So basically, I'm just using this as an example. All right, that is available. So now if I click on this button, as you can see right here, everything looks good. You can see we also have a free SSL certificate right here, and also you can share this link on any platform and you will not get banned. So the next thing that you are going to do right here now is to start driving traffic to this landing page. And don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to drive traffic for absolutely free. As you can see right here, I've put together a simple article that you can use to drive traffic to your landing page. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So now you need this type of article because you want to give people value. All right, that is the only way you can get them to click on your link. You want to give them value. You want to make them benefit from, from whatever you are posting before you can ask them to click on your link. All right. So if people don't feel like they've gotten some value from your post, then they won't click on your link. So basically, as you can see, this is a simple and straight to the point article talking about how to grow a YouTube channel. And as you can see right here, it has about 4 tips right here. Okay, so basically all the 4 tips works for anyone who is trying to grow their YouTube channel. And also, this is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page, not your content locker. All right, although you can paste in your content locker link if you want, but I recommend pasting your landing page link, okay, for better conversions. So all you just need to do is copy your landing page link. All right, so basically, like I said, so you are just going to copy your Breezy landing page link, and then you want to paste in the link right here. Okay, so you can remove this bracket, and you want to keep it like this. All right, so basically, once they click on this link, they are going to be taken to to this landing page right here. And once they come right here, they see that they have 18 copies left. They want to click on the download button, and the content locker is going to pop up. And if the content locker pops up, they will have to complete this landing page. They will have to complete CPA offers to get access to the PLR product. All right, so now how to drive traffic. So it's very simple. There are various ways of doing it. You can head over to Facebook, and you want to type in grow your YouTube channel. All right, so once you type that, you want to make sure you filter it to groups. As you can see, there are heaps of Facebook groups about growing a YouTube channel that you can join, and you can start giving value in those groups. And you want to share this simple article that is going to link to your landing page. All right, so I'm going to show you an example of how to do this. As you can see right here, we have a lot of, as you can see right here, there are a lot of Facebook groups on how to grow a YouTube channel. So if I click on this one as an example, as you can see right here, this YouTube group are getting a lot of engagement. You can see right here, 18 hours ago, and over 50 comments. All right, so basically this group is very, very engaging. You can see people are engaging on this Facebook group. So I'm going to give you a simple script that you can use to start driving traffic to your landing page. All right, so basically you want to go to the post section, and you want to paste in a simple post like this. All right, you can see it says I will help 50 people grow their YouTube channel with this step-by-step guide for free. In order to participate, like this post and type down below and I will send it to you. So basically, once people start leaving a comment on your post, so once you have that posted, a lot of people will start, typing down on your Facebook post. So that is when you are going to send them this article right here. All right, so once you are going to copy this and you are going to send it to whoever types down on your Facebook post. All right, so basically this is one of the easiest way that you can drive traffic to your content locker, because you are in a very targeted group. This group, people in this group are interested in growing their YouTube channel, and you are giving them tips on how they can grow their YouTube channel. And then once they click on the link right here, they will be taken to this landing page. And if they see that they don't have to pay $20 to get this, they will click on this download now. Once they click on the download now, they will be taken to a content locker where they will have to complete 2 offers to download this guide for absolutely free. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any value, of course, please leave a like on this video. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.